Hello, my name is Wendell Woodbury. In today's world, people are not only relying on the medical profession to solve their health problems, but many are now turning to alternative medicine, like self-healing, and they're turning for a multitude of reasons. Some because they've relied too heavily on doctors as miracle workers, others because they've become dependent on ineffective and sometimes overprescribed medications, and still others are now looking because of the ever-increasing cost of health insurance. The ironic thing is, many people don't realize that self-healing can be right at your fingertips. One of the most troublesome afflictions people battle with today are sinus problems. These problems can be caused by a wide range of things, including allergic reactions and infection. Pollen, hay fever, allergies, smoke, pollution, and the common cold are just some of the many aggravating factors that can irritate our sinuses. Using choline once again, let's begin here by explaining where and what your sinuses are. Your sinuses are small cavities in the bones of your face and head. These areas are linked to your nose and upper throat through small passages, and they're vulnerable to the spread of infection from these areas. The nose and sinuses are lined with special cells which produce mucus to wash out infection. Often when people suffer an allergic reaction to something, the reaction causes the lining to swell. The swelling then blocks the small passage from the sinuses to the nose and throat, prohibiting the drainage of mucus. The mucus is then retained inside the cavities, creating a fertile environment for bacteria to grow and infect the sinuses. An acute sinus problem can sometimes be cured by antibiotics, but a chronic sinus infection is more difficult to treat. Very often, surgery for this condition does not prevent it from happening again, and this unfortunately leads to more surgery, which causes scar tissue, which can cause pain. It's actually a vicious cycle that many are caught up in. But fortunately, now there is something you can do to heal yourself. Today, we'll touch on 4 basic techniques for sinus problems: the yin-yang connection, the yin-yang technique, driving air into the nose technique, and the Li Q point press. Let's begin with our first technique, which is called yin-yang connection striking. To do this, bend your index finger. Put the middle part of the middle phalanx on your forehead in the midline of your body at the highest point on your forehead. Then press down firmly, sliding your finger from the top of your nose down across your lips all the way to your chin. Repeat this technique 18 times in the morning and then again at night. This technique will not only treat sinusitis, but can also prevent you from catching a cold, the flu, or even from developing future sinus problems. If you're interested in learning more about acupressure massage for these or any other problem, please look for our exciting new video series. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a healthy and peaceful future.